Medicine Keys is an educational tool, which is prepared by a team of physicians who have successfully passed all parts of MRCP exams. We understand the format of the MRCP exams as well as the challenges that you may face while studying. We are here to help you prepare for the MRCP exams by providing high-yield facts, which will most likely appear in your exam. Medicine Keys uses many sources for its topics, including nice updates, up-to-date, and ideas from MRCP question banks and previous exam recalls. There are more than 1,500 topics which we review, evaluate and update continuously, according to the most recent NICE guidelines. Each topic contains many added concepts, key facts, algorithms, and mnemonics to make it easier to understand and recall. In every topic, images are attached to strengthen your photo memory, including important signs and radiology pictures. Our main aim is to make studying for the MRCP exams more interactive. We do this by providing a discussion bar at the end of every topic and flashcards, where you can comment and exchange thoughts with other members. For added convenience, we have also included a student consult section, where you can directly communicate with our team about any fact or topic that you find confusing and they will explain it to you. Enjoy your MRCP preparation and pass with confidence from the first trial.